I've always had this problem with my teeth. They're bucked and I hate them. Also, along with that, I always had problems with my health as far as my teeth are concerned. My bite, TMJ, migraine headaches, neck aches, you name it. And part of it is my bite. So I had braces. That didn't help. So I came for help. But the minute I met him, he sent me away because the foundation was not good. He took out 4 teeth that were very, very loose. So now he sent me back to my original plan, and hopefully I would be beautiful and gorgeous the way God intended me to be. It's been, I guess, less than 24 hours that I had my whole teeth done by Dr. Muslin. And I was surprised myself. What a fantastic job he did. After I had him done and saw myself, I didn't realize how great my smile was, that I came out dancing. And I was just dancing with joy because I was so happy. I am very, very happy with the performance and the great job he did. I really am. And I'm glad I decided to go on with this.
I love it. I really do.